In this video, I'm going to show you the whole steps you need to set up a TikTok business manager account so that you can run proper TikTok ads. So with TikTok, you can actually run ads using the mobile app, but it has a lot of limitations, and that's why you want to go through this route that I'm about to show you. So this video is going to cover everything you need to create an add accounts and basically set up everything that you need to run ads professionally. The first thing you need to do is that you want to come to your browser and search for ads.tiktok.com. So everything I'm doing here you can do using your mobile phone if you do not have a computer. I'm just doing this on computer because I have a computer and I'm using my phone as my camera in this case. But if you do not have, you can basically just use your smartphone, just go to Chrome, turn it into a desktop version, and you are ready to go. So if you come to ads.tiktok.com, this is the business manager. So you are going to come to an interface like this one. And what you want to do is you just want to come here, click on get started. So when you click on get started, you need to sign up with your email and then your password. So you can use the email you have with your regular TikTok account, which is what I'm going to use here. But if you want to change an email, you can use a different email altogether. So if you want to use a phone number, you can use a phone number. In my case, I'm going to use an email. So I'm going to put the email address right here. So I've added the email I want to use and the password that I want to use, and then you check the text box which allows you to agree to the TikTok terms and condition. So this second one, I really do not need it, so I can uncheck it and then you click on sign up. Alternatively, you can just use your TikTok account directly, but I'm not going to do that. Here you want to pass the captcha. The captcha is very simple. Just select two objects that looks the same. So this is the letter S, so I just select the 2x and then I click on verify. So somehow it says I am wrong, but let's try again. So we have so for some strange reasons it just took some time to verify. So they are going to send you an email to your email. So I'm just going to go to my email now and I'm going to put the code that they have sent to me. So I have my mobile phone here and the email is from tiktokbusiness.com. So this is, so I've just added the code that they sent and it should basically verify the stuff. So here you add your business name. If you have a website, you can include it. If you don't, you can leave it. So this is where you select your industry. You can find your industry, and if you do not see your industry, you can just find anything that is related to that. So in my case, I'm just going to just select telecommunication for no reason, because I just cannot see maybe digital marketing and the rest. So let me just select this. All right. So here you want to put current monthly ad spend. Here you put your phone numbers. So if you click on this button, you can customize your account more. Like we are Nigeria, this is where you can select your country. If you are not watching from Nigeria, you select your country and you select your currency. So as a Nigerian, it's better for you to use NGN so that you can easily pay. If you use the dollars, you might need a dollar card to pay for it, which we do not want to do. So here I'm just going to add my phone number. You can add any phone number that you have. So this phone number doesn't have to be the same as the one you have on your TikTok account. So I've added my phone number here and I agree to the terms and then I click on continue. So with that, we are now inside of the Google Ads Manager and we can create different kind of adverts from here. But we are not done. So we need to create what we would call an ad account, and we also need to create like a Facebook, not Facebook. We are going to create a payment method and then a pixel that we use to track our conversions. So we've just created the business account, but we are not ready to start running adverts yet because we do not have an ad account and the rest. So we need to create an ad account. To do that, you come on this here where you have these 9 dots and you want to come to business center. So under the business center, you want to select the business type. So if you want to use this account for yourself and your businesses, you can select I am an advertiser. But if you're an agent or an agency, you can select you're an agency. So I'm going to select I'm an advertiser here, and then this is where you put your company website if you have. If you do not have, you can go to a website like system.io and create a landing page and put it here. So I already have videos on how you can use system.io if you do not have your own website, but the best practice is always to have your own website. But do not say because you do not have your website that you cannot run ads. You can basically just put the website here. So I actually have a website for my business, which I am going to put right here. And here you want to select the country or region. So you want to select the business name again. So I'm just going to call it the same name again. So this is like you refilling everything you filled before, but that doesn't matter. So this is your contact name. You can change it to something else. Again, you want to select your industry. So I'm going to select an industry again. So let's say maybe I selected telecommunication before. So let me just say order. I'm just going to select order there. And then this is where you put your phone number again. So this phone number, you use it for verification and the rest. So the email or contact email has been selected already. So this is your business center information. We are going to leave everything here. Again, the currency is NGN. So this is where you start creating your advertiser account, which is the ad account. Again, the account name is this. You can change the ad account name if you want. So I'm going to leave it this way. And you can change the time zone. Again, keep the time zone to Nigeria and Lagos if you are watching from Lagos, but you can select your own time zone depending on your location. So we just agree to the terms. We click on confirm. So as you can see, we have created the business center and the business and everything. So we need to link the TikTok account. So if you have an existing TikTok account, you can just link it directly. If you do not have, you can now create a new TikTok account. So I have my own TikTok account that I want to link, and I can just select it here. And then you can just come here, select this login to this to confirm, but you can actually skip this step now. So I'm just going to do it now so you understand how it works. So I can click on confirm and it's going to bring this interface. So I basically just want to log into my TikTok account. I can use a QR code to do it. So I can come here, click on QR code, and I just have to scan it and then I can log in. So I just open the scanner on my phone and then scan this QR code. So it's going to bring a pop-up like this for you to confirm login on desktop. So you can click on login. So you are basically authorizing it to login. So now it has picked up my TikTok account and I want to give it all the permission right here. So you can now click on continue and give it some time so that it can link the TikTok account to the business account that we just created. So as you can see, it says the account has been authorized and now we can click on OK. The last but not the least is the payment setup, and this is how you actually pay for the ads. So you can skip it now or you can do it now, because if you do not do it, you may not be able to run the ads. So let's click on the payment info. So the following information is from the business center, blah blah blah. So you click on confirm. So finally you need to confirm this agreement, that you confirm that your ads are going to comply with the TikTok terms and everything. So you click on confirm and you are basically ready. If you come here, click on create ad, you'll be taken to the ads manager. So this is how you can create a TikTok business account in Nigeria. I'm going to make another video where I show you how to put the pixel and how to actually create a full campaign from this dashboard. So if you want to see that video, then subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. My name is Noel and I'll see you in my next videos. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.